friends, welcome to 120 days hard challenge for the prelims 2024. Today is day 1. Guys, as per the 120 days hard challenge, every day we have to master option elimination technique so that we can easily score very high marks in the UPSC prelims 2024. Guys, after the prelims 2023, there is a wrong notion being spread among the aspirants that elimination techniques are dead. Guys, I solved at least 30 questions in the UPSC prelims 2023 using elimination technique. Just imagine, last year the cutoff was only 80 marks, which is 40 marks, 40 questions. So if you are able to solve 30 questions using elimination technique, cracking prelims is so easy. But the problem is most of the aspirants, they are not able to solve questions inside the exam hall using elimination technique. There are two reasons for that. Reason one is that most of the aspirants, they don't know all the elimination technique. They don't know all techniques. The second is they are failing to apply. They are failing to apply this technique inside the exam hall. So either knowledge is not there or the application is not there. Why application is not there? Guys, because most of the mock tests by the coaching institutes, they do not incorporate this elimination technique. Guys, Optimize IAS Lakshya test series is the only test series which can help you master these techniques. And today I am going to prove you. I am going to take one PYQ and I am going to take one Optima question from our test series, and I am going to show you how I am framing the question in the similar manner in the UPSC. And if you practice these questions in our test series, then you can master elimination technique and you can solve this techniques question inside the exam hall in the UPSC exam hall also. Guys, my name is Santosh Pandey. I have cracked the UPSC exam 6 out of 6 times. You can see some of my scorecard. I have scored one of the highest marks ever scored by any UPSC aspirant in the prelims examination. Guys, let us start. So I have taken one question from the Polity, since we are doing Polity right now. This is a prelims 2023 question. Let us see this question. Consider the following statements. The statement 1 says the Supreme Court of India held in some judgments that the reservation policies made under Article 16(4) of the Constitution would be limited by Article 335 for the maintenance of efficiency of administration. Suppose you do not know this statement is correct or incorrect. Okay, suppose you do not know. Let us read the second statement. The second statement says that Article 335 of the Constitution defines the term efficiency of administration. Okay, so let me now share the elimination technique which you can apply and solve polity question inside the exam hall. Guys, first of all, you have to understand what is Constitution. Guys, Constitution is the fundamental law. Constitution is the fundamental law of the country. As it is fundamental law, it has only broad principles. It has only broad principles according to which the state is governed. According to which the state is governed. So it has broad principles according to which the state is governed. So will the Constitution have details or Constitution will not have details? Just think after this definition, understanding this definition, just write in the comment box, will the Constitution have details of everything or it will have only broad principles? So obviously guys, Constitution will never have details. If Constitution will have details of everything, then the Constitution will become very bulky. Therefore, in UPSC, whenever you come across one statement which says the Constitution defines, the Constitution explains, generally those statements are incorrect. Generally those statements are incorrect. So this statement becomes incorrect because it says Constitution defines what is efficiency in Article 335. And just you see, only one option has statement 2 as incorrect. Only one option has statement 2 incorrect. So we get the answer option C. So what is the technique we learned today? The technique which we learned today is that whenever in the UPSC polity question, there will be statement which is made like this: the Constitution defines, the Constitution explains. Generally those statements will be incorrect. Now what I will do is that I will give you one question from our Optima test series, and let me see how many of you are able to solve that question. I will give you 1 minute, and at the same time I want to know from you, did you like the way I framed this question and is it similar to the UPSC question or not? So let us see this question which is from our Optima Lakshya test series 2024. Let us read this question. Statement 1. The Supreme Court of India has held as per the basic structure doctrine, the parliament's power to amend the constitution is limited. Suppose you do not know it. Suppose you do not know it. Then let us read the statement 2. The Article 368 of the Constitution defines basic structure doctrine. Just now, what rule we have learned? We have learned a rule that whenever it says that the Constitution defines, the Constitution article defines, explains something, generally those statements will be incorrect. Generally those statements will be incorrect. So we can easily say that answer is what? Option C. And you can just compare this question and you can compare this question. Just read these two questions and compare how I framed the same manner. The question is different. The question is different, but the principle, the mindset which goes inside framing this question is similar. That is why I say Optimize IAS Lakshya test series is the only test series which is as close to the examination, because I am using all my experience of cracking all 6 prelims examination and I am putting these tests. If you practice these questions, then you can master how UPSC frames the question, because once you understand the mindset, once you understand how the questions are getting framed inside the UPSC examination, then you can easily crack the examination. Guys, UPSC success is all about mindset. You have to understand the examiner's mindset, and I am going to help you master this mindset. So guys, every day I am going to come out with this video, optional elimination masterclass, and this is going to really change your prelims performance. It is going to transform your prelims performance. And guys, I would highly recommend people to take up this 120 days hard challenge. As per this 120 days hard challenge, guys, I am giving you daily Optima targets, current affairs targets, daily static targets. Daily I am giving you some PYQs. Daily I am giving you some current affairs. Daily you can solve the CSAT questions. And every day I'm going to come out with elimination video which will help you master this technique. So every day you have to tick this and you have to send me that, sir, I have fulfilled today's challenge. And if you are able to do this for the next 120 days, guys, let me tell you, no force on earth can stop you from the success in the prelims examination. And guys, let me tell you, if you want to solve these kinds of questions which I have just showed you, you can see this question which I have framed. Similar question, you just compare, just pause the video and compare it with the question which came in the UPSC. Similar worded question, similar pattern question. This is what the mindset, this is what the pattern. So guys, our test series is the only test series which is having the same pattern of the UPSC. The link is given in the description. Please do consider practicing question, because again I am telling, application of knowledge is more important than gathering more knowledge. Guys, if gathering knowledge will give you prelim success, then all the 6 attempt people will clear the prelims and all the first attempt people should fail in the prelims, because UPSC success is not about knowledge, it is about application of knowledge, and I am going to teach you that application of knowledge. Guys, if you like this video, please do consider liking the video and sharing this video with all the UPSC prelims aspirants. Guys, wait for the next video which is going to come tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.